Hey, what's up, guys? This is Cody the Coin Raptor coming at you with another fantastic video. And this video, I wanted to draw attention to the fact that Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, has bought 315,000 shares in Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. Okay, this doesn't happen often. In fact, they say it's the fund's first purchase of the trust in almost a year and a half. So, for those of you who don't know, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is not exactly Bitcoin, but it is a trust that holds Bitcoin. It's basically the one way to get exposure to Bitcoin through the stock market is by buying GBTC here. So Cathie Wood's ARK has decided to increase their stake in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. All right. And the reason for that, I think, is fairly obvious, but I'm going to go through some of the valuation metrics that would have convinced them to increase their position in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So starting with the ARK Invest Bitcoin monthly report that they put out. So what you have here is a graph that I've shown previously, and this graph points out what they call the investor price, okay, or the investor cost basis of Bitcoin. And this is calculated by removing the minor cost basis from the general cost basis of the market, all right? And they've put the investor cost basis at 18,814. All right, Bitcoin right now is trading at about 16,600. So it's trading at a pretty steep discount compared to their own investor cost basis. So it's not surprising that they're wanting to get into exposure to Bitcoin through the ETF, because they're not allowed to directly buy Bitcoin because we do not have a direct spot Bitcoin ETF yet approved by the SEC. So the next best thing here is to buy Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, okay? And then if you take a look at the NUPL level, the net unrealized profit and loss chart that I've showed you several times here, we can see that the total Bitcoin market is down 21.83%. Okay, so it's trading at a 21.83% discount, okay? Because the NUPL level here is going to show you the unrealized profit loss of the total market, and right now it's at negative 21, which means that the market is down as a whole 21% on Bitcoin investments. So it's not surprising that Cathie Wood and ARK decided to try and get back into it in some way. And then if we take a look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, which is probably the least most scientifically accurate or fundamentally based, but it is still fun to look at. And the hilarious thing about this is that it's actually dropped out of the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. And I think some people have said that this would basically invalidate the Bitcoin rainbow price chart, but it has done this before. And as you can see here, right here in 2020, it did actually drop below that level. So it dropped actually below the level of basically a fire sale. So again, Cathie Wood and her investment crew are looking at stuff like this. Maybe not exactly the rainbow price chart, but they're definitely looking at things like your net unrealized profit loss and this investor cost basis, and they're deciding that they want to increase their position in Bitcoin. And I tend to agree. I think that it's actually pretty undervalued right now, though that's not saying that it can't go lower. That's always a possibility, and I've outlined a scenario where it definitely does move lower. If you have a increased crypto contagion from another crypto firm that goes under, you can definitely see the price go lower as well. But I wanted to make a quick video today discussing the thought process behind ARK Invest buying some more shares in Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys today. If you like this content, let me know. Like, subscribe, and also go ahead and leave a comment. All right, YouTube, that's all I've got for you guys today, and I will catch you on the next video.